how to delete everything on your laptop in Windows 10 and 11. So what we'll simply do is we'll go in our search bar and we will search for reset this PC. So after we'll get a lot of option there like reset password, reset network, and as so on. So we'll simply click on reset this PC and click on reset PC right there. And after clicking on the reset PC option, we will get an option of keep my files and remove everything. So what we can simply do is if you want to remove your files and make your save other datas, but if you want to remove everything and make your device new, you can simply click on that and confirm it. So yeah, that is how we can delete everything on your laptop.